Hello, today I'm in Honda S2000. In this video I'll show you how to start engine. In the beginning, place the key in the ignition, switch it. Now press the clutch and press and hold engine start button. To stop the engine, you have to push the key inside, and now you can take it out. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.